Welcome. In this tutorial, we're going to explore how to copy a form link in Google Drive. This is a straightforward process that will help you manage your forms more effectively. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. Make sure you are signed into your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see all your files and folders neatly organized. Next, locate the form you want to copy. You can scroll through your files or use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Once you've found the right form, look for the three dots next to it. This icon represents additional options and will open a menu when clicked. Now, click on those three dots. A drop-down menu will appear with several options for managing your form. Here, you want to select Copy Link. This action will copy the link of the form to your clipboard, making it easy to share with others. After clicking on Copy Link, you can now paste the link wherever you need it, be it in an email, a document, or a chat message. To do this, simply navigate to where you want to paste the link, right-click, and select Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V, Command+V on Mac. And there you have it. You've successfully copied a form link in Google Drive. This simple process not only saves time, but also ensures that you can easily share your forms with colleagues or friends without any hassle. If you need to make changes to the copied form later, or want to create a duplicate for your own use, remember that you can always return to Google Drive and follow similar steps to make a copy of the entire form itself. Thank you for joining me today. Now you're equipped with the knowledge of how to copy a form link in Google Drive. Happy sharing.